if our body at present is engaged in the activities of Krishna consciousness, then it is guaranteed that we'll have at least a human body. Why? Generally, why will we get a human body? Why it is guaranteed? Because devotional service never ends. Devotional service perpetuates. Devotional service continues. When one becomes engaged in devotional service, he gets a chance to get engaged in devotional service again. So in this life, if one has rendered devotional service and he dies without completing his entire course, then he will get a chance to continue with his devotional service in his next life. And in order to do that, he has to have a human body. So that's why Prabhupada is so emphatically pointing out that when one is engaged in devotional service, then he will get at least he'll get a human body in his next life, and he'll get a chance to continue further in devotional service.